Good morning. Boy, New Russia look like a ghost town. Look. Nobody in the transit center. Ghost town. You see any bus? See anybody? It's all like a ghost town. Look. People afraid for travel. You see like how they say a New Russia? A New Russia it start from people afraid of up, yeah. They scared for travel. In the bus, one handful of people. Nobody no want travel. Them scared like a puss. All I do, I walk with my sanitized wipes. And me turn domestic helper in the bus. Wipe. Everywhere me go. Wipe up your ghost town. Look here, them soon shut down the mass transit. Oh, we bills are go pay. You gonna live out a door? Lord have mercy and heal your land. What a crisis. You can't cough. You can't sneeze. You can't clean your throat. People afraid of you. People are run from you. You can't cough. You can't sneeze. You can't even catch the common flu. So you know what me do? Load up with vitamin C every day. See me sanitize wipe here in my hand. So you see anywhere me go? Touch. Me hold it with it. I have a trash bag and I put it in the trash bag. Whoa! What a crisis. This is bad. You can't cough. You can't sneeze. You can't have flu. Normally, people that say, bless you when you sneeze. No, they might run from you. I heard of a situation where somebody go to a church coming from foreign to Jamaica. When them go, you know what happened? The people then start to sanitize down. This is one time Jamaica afraid of foreigner. Them no want a foreigner. Things get so bad. Them no want a foreigner. Well, them better send barrel from Jamaica come give we up here. Things get so bad that even toilet paper I get award. People are fight over toilet paper. I don't know, something to eat. Yes. So all you guys, better stock up with your food. Better stock up with your water because it's gonna get worse before it get better. Everybody a will on $10. You soon can't go bank go dry. Normally, I bought something on Amazon, I will get it right away. Now, from Monday, all now shipper can't come in. Things stand bad. People stop all want travel. Everybody go sitting at their yard now and get stress and depression. Things, anything turn so, turn really bad. Yes, in times like these, we need a savior. We need the anchor. Church can't get stay open. Normally, all if you have one little date, you can't go towards your date. Why? Because they say 6 feet apart. Well, me ride come. The guy people them 9 to 5. So me gone. Bye. Later. Good morning, ladies.
Hey.
You cold?
Yeah.
It's cold, of course. Bye, everyone.